Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find things to do in your area in Google Maps. Once you're inside Google Maps or you open the Google Maps application, you want to swipe towards the right hand side where you have these different categories. So as you can see here, I have home, gas, hotel, groceries, restaurant, and all those good stuff. Now, if you swipe all the way across, you'll have the option that says more. And once you tap on that, guys, guess what? You have a ton of different categories that you can scroll through. But the good thing is that if you look towards the top, you have food and drinks, things to do, and shopping. So you want to tap on things to do, and you can basically see those different things. So you have a whole category here that says things to do, and there are parks, gyms, art, attraction, nightlife, music, movies, museum, libraries, and all this good stuff, right? So you can easily go through. So let's say I want to look at, for example, some parks that are close by to me. I can tap on that, and here you will see that it started to show me all those different parks on the graph here, as you can see, or the map rather. You can see all of those parks in the maps. You can just basically look through your area because it's going to show you what's around your area, right? So you can just basically look and see where it is, or you can tap on that and you will see the parks that are close by, and you can see how far they are. This one is about 600 meters, and just scroll through and see what you can find, right? So you can just basically scroll through, and you might find something that if you have the time on your hand, you can just start to visit. You can just go to these parks and just basically explore around your area. And yeah, that's gonna be a good fun experience for you guys. So if you're looking for things to do around your area, this is one easy way that you can find it. Just simply open the map, go to more, and you can find this ton of different categories that's going to show you how to find and where to find things to do around your area. And that's it, guys.